Teksasa. Kao što sam obećao, bit će konji, bit će jahanje, bit će djeca, bit će žene, bit će sve živo. Prema tome, morate da razumijete o čemu se ovdje u stvari radi. Ovdje se radi u maksimalnom opuštanju, u prirodi, u ljepoti, u borovima. Jer vi samo vidite kako je ovo ovdje lijepo. A čak imamo i ptice ovdje gdje se hrane, vidite kako to lijepo izgleda. Prema tome, da vidimo kako će ovo subotnje druženje da izgleda samo malo više u prirodi nego prošli puta, ali na dosta isti kao. Znači, ražanj se okreće, kao što možete da vidite, to je tako, na jednom ovako dobrom uglju, drvetu, ne znam šta je. Ponovo si majstor kuhanja, koliko mogu da vidim.
Keka majstor.
Danas jedemo janje, a prošli puta smo jeli jare. Bravo, već će se prva liga.
Sad ćemo mi to skidat, gotovo.
Gotovo skidat, jel?
Još malo.
Jedno pola sata, jel? Bravo. A društvo kao uobičajeno društvo. I već tu počelo da bude ustajeno, znači meza je tu, piće je tu.
Evo Meksikanca.
Poštovanje Meksikanaca sa šeširom iz Ređinog potoka.
Jesi ti najavio na čijem smo sad ranču?
Ajde ti malo mi objasni.
Ja imam ja štim stojati, tomu ti gazda.
Gazda, evo ga, evo ga na telefonu tamo gazda, jel ne? Gazda!
Ja mislim na ove konje. Ja mislim na ove konje.
Znači ovog puta smo na tvom ranču.
Hasica ranč.
Bravo, sviđa mi se, opasno mi se sviđa.
H ranč.
Prošli puta smo snimali janje, a ovog puta smo se malo više obratili pažnju na jahanje konja. Čak sam koristio i dron, snimio sam čerke tvoje kako jašu i tamo na cesti svaka čast.
Svaka čast.
I love to see you on the horse. You really look like a cowgirl, huh? How long you doing this?
Like maybe when I was around 3.
Around 3? How old you are now?
9.
9? So what is that, 6 years?
Yeah.
Are you like it?
Yes.
Are you enjoy it? Are you doing any competition?
So my sister's gonna be doing the competition, but I will still be going there to ride around during
Okay.
the competition.
Are you planning to do competition in the future?
Yeah.
You like to do this. I can see that you love to do this. What is your name?
Adela.
Adila. What is the horse name?
Astro.
Astro. I love this horse. This horse looks beautiful. Good.
She look beautiful more in horse. Look at her. She's a princess.
What is that you have in your hand?
It's a whip.
So what do you do with that? You kind of like, you don't hit him too hard, right?
Yeah. If they're like not moving, you want them to go, but if they don't go, then you just hit them.
Okay. Bravo. What is your name?
My name is Selma.
Selma.
Yes.
Nice job. So you're going to competition?
Yes. I'm
Nice.
going the 21st of February.
21st of February.
Yes.
What are you competing in?
It's like you have a bunch of obstacles and then you just like follow the pattern of them. There's 8 of them in total and I will be doing all 8 of them.
That's nice. Can I see you a little bit riding as well?
Sure.
Like a little bit faster? Can we do that?
I can try that, but I'm not sure if I can due to a lot of trees and I
Oh, that's right. It's a lot of trees here.
I did it a bit earlier, so I'm guaranteeing that I can.
Okay, awesome. That's fine. Fair enough. What is this horse name?
That is my horse.
Oh, so this is your horse.
Yes.
That's awesome. What is the horse name?
His name is Ginger and he's 12, 13 years old.
How old?
12 to 13 years old.
Wow.
And he is the horse I will be going on competition with.
So you're gonna go to competition with this horse?
Yes, and I've been practicing the obstacles and everything with him.
Awesome. So you guys trust each other, huh?
I trust him.
Does he trust you? He must trust you.
Overall, I believe he trusts me.
Okay, cool. How old is this horse? This one is 12, right? Other
No,
one?
that one's 6 or 5.
Uh-huh.
He's 12.
This one is 12. Okay, cool. That's awesome. Thank you for sharing your story.
You're welcome.
Okay, cool.
He is also a horse I've been practicing like obstacles and everything with. He's a very good listener. And he does stuff good. And overall, I trust him. I believe he trusts me.
That's awesome.
I ride him every other day. Sometimes I ride him. I don't ride him that often, like because due to I have a competition in a couple of days. I don't. Due to a competition coming up, I would not recommend riding my horse a couple of days before that.
Oh, okay. So you want horse to rest?
Yes, I want him to rest for the competition because I don't want him to be overwhelmed or anything when the competition is. And also from records of that, I heard that like if you ride your horse a couple of days before the competition, a day before the competition, that's not good. Then like your horse, he's gonna get all stressed and everything. He's gonna be like, oh, I got pressure on him.
Okay.
Because sometimes once you're like practicing him the day before or anything, you're trying to put pressure in him, like get him all that perfect so you can get the obstacles correct and ready. And then the day of, he gets so stressed. He's like, I know this, and then he just can start acting up. He can like.
Okay. What is the love for horses come from? Where does that love come from?
Well, for me, it's passed down from family. Like we have from my dad's uncles, grandfathers, and it's all passed down with animals.
Okay.
Like I started riding at the age of 2.
So I heard that your dad ride a horse and he compete when he was younger.
Yes, my dad, he competed in like the racing horses and everything. He's done that very young, and then like I heard, I think before or like while they were warming up for anything, they would like ride the horses in the water, like going like one direction and another direction.
So you wanna say hi to anybody?
There's nobody in mind that I have, but I do want to thank some people. I would like to thank my father and my mother because for everything that I have in this life and the opportunities I get to be filming over here and have my horse, have more horses, have ATVs, have a house, have everything, have food, have everything I need. And that all comes from my parents. So I want to give a huge thank and a huge loud shout out to my parents.
That's
They're the
awesome.
ones that gave me everything
You're gonna
in
make
life.
me. I'm tearing up here. Listen to you how you talk about your parents.
Yeah.
That's awesome. That's great that you have that good relationship with your parents, right?
And I'm glad I have
And I love that we are here today, and I love that I'm talking to you here. So you know what? Good luck on your competition, okay? Okay. Give us a kiss. Mwah. Hey. svjedočimo ovdje Meksikanac iz...
Kad je se u mom selu ujahalo.
Meksikanac iz rečnog potoka.
Idemo u lov na divlje krmke.
Idemo u lov na divlje krmke, ha? Dobro ti to izgleda, dobro ti to stoji.
Kako ste vi, gospođe? Iha, Alma, što imaš reći za YouTube? Ajde, beba, ajde. Ja, ovo engleski priča, ajde.
Ja ne možda ovo slušati. Ja stražim mu pjesmu.
Ne možeš ti sa njim ni naopako, on sve zna.
Pa zna! I kaže ona meni.
Nema više što pričali.
Loži mi ga. A meni je neprijatno. Meni je tako bilo neprijatno. A šta ću morao sam?
Nije ti Sadmir ispričao
Stvarno dobro.
priču o traktoru.
Valjala ovo izdržati.
Oh my god. Da reci jasno.
Svaka tebi čast.
U njega u selu bio jedan traktorista poznati, sad mu sin to radi, mamara. I on bi kod dijete trčao za tim traktorom. I uvijek je sad govorio da dođe do para, kup će sebi traktor. Jel?
Kupije na traktora gore.
Ja to je živa istina, idi vidjeti.
Znači, to je taj traktor. Znači, kad dođeš do para, kupit ću ti traktor, a on sebi kupio traktor. Bravo. Hej, snimio sam traktor.
Znaš šta je problem, on ne zna se hvala. Ja te ne.